right, there it is. Crunch. Oh boy. It's not gonna fall off. I see a tire under there. All right. Gotta give him some space. Pressure's on.
I gotta stay right here in front of your eye because you're warmer than I am.
Out here in his pajamas because he's so excited.
What was that?
That was that manual forklift thingy.
Oh.
Red and black. So cool. That's all right. No pressure. Uh-oh, I think Dad's coming. I hear the truck. Yes, there he is. He's gonna be so excited.
Did I miss him? Nope, there it is. There it is.
See you, Dad.
Merry Christmas.
See you, Dad.
Got it. How's it going, man?
Good.
Got it. How's it going, man?
Good, and yourself?
Dude, pretty good now.
Good.
He might need some help.
I got it on here, so we're good now. Right. It's just hard doing it in there. It's just hard doing it in there.
You gonna be able to get it in the garage?
Yeah.
I made room.
Yep. Now that I got it on here, it's easy.
Kai, look at that. Big old semi.
It's really cool.
You gonna be able to get it in
Yeah.
I made room. I hope.
Now that I got it on here, it's easy.
All right.
Kai, look at that. Big old semi.
It's really cool.
I'll grab that.
All right. Now Dad's here. I'll let him film. Way out.
Right there.
There you go.
Yeah, these things are, I don't remember how many came in. Only a couple thousand.
All right.
Left out. I bought this in October, bro.
98 volts.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That one, there's a 72 volt.
Oh, yeah.
55, 60. This one goes 75, 80 miles an hour.
Was it Swan that made? No, not Swan. I can't remember that. I watched Seaboys TV in there.
Okay, yeah.
I just swapped like a golf cart and
Yeah,
a quad, so.
yeah. The Talarias and the Surons and all that are big. But this is... Well, it came. Stay tuned. It's been sitting in my house, in my garage all day long and driving me nuts because I can't put it together. But Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime around there, I will have it together and I'll do a first ride video, review the entire thing. But got it before Christmas. Voro, you came through. Thank you.